Going on, you magnificent bastards? Beautiful day here. Beautiful day. Sunny, crisp. It's about 20 degrees with the wind, so we're talking 15, 10, 15 degrees. I don't have to be out there, so I don't really give a rat's ass. If I was working, I'd be out there, but I ain't. So, first and foremost, thank you to everybody who got back to me about Revell. I had forgotten about them being sold and everything else, so I'm kind of looking like I ain't getting no parts for this. So, what I'm going to do, and first, before I do anything, Al Wood, I really appreciate the kind offer, buddy, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I sent Revell an email with the parts that I was missing. I'm going to see if I get an answer from them and what happens. In the meantime, I got too much friggin' work and come too far with this goddamn thing to put it in the box and put it away. So, I have a couple of options. The fifth wheel came with it. I got a ramp truck that came with it. So, what I'm going to do is, for right now, I got a lot of work to still do on to get this cab all together. I can build the whole cab out of it. So that's what I'm going to do, because this is what I've got done so far. Progress. I got the whole drive shaft all done. That was all redone in aluminum. I've got the dashboard all done. I used the decal and some of this. Oops. Sorry, Nigel. Some of this. And I got the dashboard all done. There's the dash. So that's all done. I got the steering wheel and all that stuff all done. The seats are all done. I think the seats come out pretty good, to be honest with you. I took my time on them yesterday, and I think they come out pretty cool. Seats are all done. And I don't know why the green looks so dark, but it's not that dark, guys. It's the lime green I use. That's all done, and I got a lot of the chassis done. Let's see if I can pick it up here without losing the radiator, because the radiator is not glued. I got this all done. See if I can put it back here and bring this back here like so. I got that all done. Flip it around. So, I mean, I got all this work done. You know what I mean? I can't just put this thing in the box and go, yeah, screw it. So I'm going to build like I said, I can build the cab part. I'm going to wait to see if I hear from Revell. I don't like how I'll see the parts. So, like I said, I got this. I can make a car carrier out of it. I mean, that's an idea. And like I said, it came with the fifth wheel. So, and I got all the fenders and air tanks and all that stuff. So, and that was the other thing. I didn't see any air tanks in the directions, but it's got to have air tanks. I mean, they gave them to me in the kit. I got them in the kit. So I'm going to have to put those together and put them on too somehow, somewhere. So, that's what I'm going to do. Like I said, I've just got too much into this thing to, all the work that I did on the cabs and the interior and Yeah, I got the stacks. They're gonna be. They have to be painted, but aluminum. So they're not. They're just on there for now. I'll glue them after I get them all painted and everything. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The torsion bars. So, like I said, I've just got way too much time into this. But what really pisses me off is finding out from you guys what the biscuits going nuts. A lot of the comments in my rant saying that Revell knew about this, but didn't know recall or nothing, and just left them out there, and that it was up to you to contact them. That's bullshit. Really? A friggin' something that cost that friggin' much, and now you knew that it was a recall, or what should have been a recall? That's just, man, no wonder they went out of friggin' business. Just disgusting. So, well, I got a lot of spare parts, that's for sure. I can make something out of this, I guess. I mean, I'd have to look and see what has to be made for the wrecker. I probably could make a lot of it. Probably the only thing I wouldn't be able to make would be the little hooks. But I'm sure I could figure something out with, make them out of metal or something like that. Just, whatever. But, you're talking, and I just don't, I got other stuff I gotta want to build this year, you know what I mean? I just, whatever. It was, like I said, I could put it all back in the box, the wrecker end of it. I could put that all back in the box and put it off to the side. And like I said, Franken build or something further down the line. Maybe I do get the parts. I'm not banking on it. But if they come in, they come in. Great. I'll put them in the box. And now I got a wrecker body and I can go buy another chassis and truck for it.
Jesus.
Oh, you have no idea what it's like in the morning here with the biscuits. Oh my God! If you might have seen that little video I put up of her last night, that's not even half of it. She just streaks through the house at 100 miles an hour for like 3 hours.
Jesus.
Oh my God, she's nuts. She's just nuts, man. Talk about funny. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing down there? You're a nut. You're a big nut. Are you going nuts? Jesus, I'm telling you. No. So that's my plan. Like I said, I just got too much time. I know I'm repeating myself, but with all this time I got into this thing, I'm not putting this away. And I want to see the cab done. I got ideas how I want to paint it, and like I said, I fixed everything, so I'm gonna put the wrecker part away. All that stuff will go away for now, and I'm gonna build the cab. Concentrate on building the cab. Get that done. And then I'll figure out, because like I said, that at least I'll get an answer from Revell. At least email me back. I expect at least an answer back. Sorry, sorry, Charlie, we can't get them. Well, that's no longer. Okay, then fine. Just give me an answer. Don't fucking leave me hanging out here. That's what pisses me off. People don't get back here anymore. It's unbelievable. Calling guys to get work done around here. Call them, leave a message. Nope. I can't tell you how many times I've called guys to have work done. And they don't even call you back. I'm like, how do they stay in business if they don't call you back? I don't know. All right, boys. We're winding down here. So that's my plan. That's my plan. So I'm going to stay in and stay warm. Hopefully I can paint the, I got to get the engine and stuff painted, so. All right, lads, lasses, I'm running out. Peace out, kids.